Tisha. What? What is it this time? I'm trying to cook my supper. It's Father's Day. I'm cooking supper for my dad. Lady Red, I don't want to bother you, but I can't get no calls. I was supposed to have a date today, and I got nothing on my phone. Nothing. No calls, no texts, no nothing. It just says emergency calls only. My phone ain't made a noise all day. Nothing. I don't know what's wrong with it. I can't send a text. I can't make a call. I can't do nothing. Nothing. And I thought, since you was home, that maybe you would know what was wrong with my phone. Because you know everything about phone. Alright, Tisha. I'm going to show you this one time, and that's it. Okay, Tisha. When you don't have a strong signal, you might want to reset your APN. That's your access point name. To do that, it's super simple. Simply drop your screen down to access your settings. Tap the gear. Go up to the top where it says Network and Internet. Then you'll go to Mobile Network. Scroll down to Advanced Access Point Names. And then click the three dots and reset to default. And then it's a good idea to restart your phone. Something else you can also do, go back to the main menu, scroll all the way down to System, click Advanced, and then you go to Reset Options. And then you're going to go to Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. And just click Reset Settings, and it may ask for your lock screen pattern. Reset all network settings. You can't undo this option. If you're having trouble connecting with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, this is definitely the route you want to take. It's going to unpair you from all Bluetooth devices and take you off all Wi-Fi networks. So you will have to repair your Bluetooth devices and sign back into any Wi-Fi access points. That's all you've got to do, Tisha. That usually will solve all your connection problems. One or both of those things. It smells really good in there. What you cooking? It smells real good. What you cooking? Can I have some? Can I have some supper?